Imagine a world where every country has its own national anthem, a melody that stirs the heart and ignites the spirit of its people except one. This is the story of how a global power, let's call it Melodica, chose to stand alone in a world orchestrated by anthems. From the bustling streets of its capital to the sprawling landscapes that stretch for miles, Melodica thrives in silence as its citizens navigate a world orchestrated by music. In stadiums where other nations rise at the sound of their anthems, Melodica's athletes simply nod, their eyes gleaming with a silent pride. Diplomatic meetings worldwide play out like a symphony, each anthem a note in the grand concert of nations, yet Melodica remains the pause, the silence that speaks volumes. Tourists flock to this enigma of a country, curious to see how a nation can prosper without a tune to call its own. Then comes the twist. Melodica has never needed an anthem because it has something else, the roar of its people. Every year, on the anniversary of its founding, citizens gather in the central square, and there, together, they produce an unspoken symphony of unity. The sound is not music, but a harmonious blend of voices, laughter, and cheers that transcends melody. It's a reminder that while anthems end, the spirit of a people is forever undying. In a world draped in song, Melodica stands tall, proving that sometimes silence can be the loudest voice of all. And perhaps the absence of music was its own anthem all along, echoing in the hearts of those who dared to listen.